Friday, drum roll, please. It's Friday, Friday, Friday. It's your Friday, April 30th astrological forecast. I'm Kat. Let's get started with our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity leaving our bodies, and it's being replaced by this beautiful white light, and we visualize it filling our bodies and going out and creating a beautiful protective bubble of white light, love, and the will to good. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all toxicity right back to where it came from. Now let's sit in our space of white light for just 5 seconds, reminding ourselves, I am abundant. Everything I desire, everything that I require is available to me from the universe. Let's say it again. I am abundant. Everything I desire, everything I require is available to me from the universe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Happy Friday. Lots of good energy to end our week today. It's awesome. So we've been on the down low, letting all the distractions and everyone's emotions just to pass right over us. Time is over. It's time to get back to work, but there's good stuff happening. So first of all, today we have the Sun conjunct Uranus in Taurus. We've been talking about these new career opportunities for quite some time. Been pondering about them. We've been making our lists. Some of these opportunities are very non-traditional. Well, today, some of us are going to have another opportunity to review an opportunity that's being presented to us, because tomorrow, don't tell anyone, tomorrow, Saturday, we might get an offer for it. Now this job, the Sun is, conjunct Uranus. So this job could include a good pay hike too. It's good stuff, you guys, good stuff. We have got to be looking at the opportunities that are available to us right now that I keep saying they don't look quite the same. We're a little bit insecure about it, but we really need to take a look at them, because today or tomorrow we may be going on a whole new path to a more fulfilled and purposeful life for us. So don't miss the opportunity today to jump on that train, that new relationship, that new career, that new project. You know, some of us are being offered this, and we really need to take a look at it and give them our final answer. Okay? Now, today is also a good day to get back to work on the personal issue that we're having in our partnership. This issue's been around. It's sensitive. It could be either about the finances. It could be about something very intimate. Those are a couple of ideas. but it is something serious that needs to be addressed to bring the relationship back into balance. We do have the energy. The sun with conjunct Uranus and Taurus gives us the availability, gives us the opportunity to express ourselves, express what we need in our lives to feel safe and secure. And it gives us the opportunity to talk to our partner today. Giving our partner, we have this issue, but what we have today is the energy to propose, again, it's Aquarian energy, it's everywhere, a new and different way to resolve an old problem. And, it may require us to really think creatively, to really take a leap of faith to get this resolved. But the opportunity presents itself again today for us to start working for healing in our relationship and bringing it back into balance. Maybe there's a way, if it's financial, maybe there's a way for us to bring in extra income into the partnership. Maybe one of us can do a side gig. I don't know. Maybe we can look at some creative budgeting and take turns doing, our personal things that we love. Maybe not doing it, both of us, every week, but every other week, whatever it is. There is a new solution for us available to handle an old relationship problem that is just not going anywhere and we can't seem to resolve it. So be ready, have the antenna up, the brain waves are working, and today we can start coming back to that relationship and see if we can bring balance and harmony back into it. Remembering that we have to come to the relationship honoring the other, respecting them. Even if we don't share their same opinion, we have to honor theirs. And honoring ourselves. It's a very big responsibility, because we have to honor our partner, but we can't compromise ourselves in the resolution. That is, we lose. You get an F for that. You have to go back and try it again. So don't compromise ourselves in trying to come to resolution either. As I said, tomorrow is Saturday. We might get an opportunity, a job opportunity. An offer might come on an opportunity that we didn't see coming, or is a completely different direction than where we were going. We also have Mercury in Taurus, triangle, trining Pluto in Capricorn. That is the job offer. That is someone saying, here, I have something solid to offer you. So don't forget that today and tomorrow. Let me check here. I almost forgot. I wanted to see where our moon is today and tomorrow. I can't believe I forgot it. The moon is still in Sagittarius for today, and for today, the moon moves out of Sagittarius into Capricorn in the early morning. Well, not early morning, but 9 o'clock, kind of early. So that Capricornian energy is building energy, foundational energy. So we're building a new life. We're building a better relationship foundation. We've got some good energy to resolve some issues, create a more sound, solid structure for our relationship. And we also have a job opportunity that could be coming our way. So be ready, be set. It's Friday. Anything could happen. It's all good stuff. So make it a good day. Enjoy the weekend. Remember, love, abundance, gratitude. You cannot go wrong. Cannot. Come see me at Facebook, on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. And I do daily inspirational readings there, and I do share some interesting memes that make you kind of go, what? Or ha, or give you a different way of looking at something. So come see me there. I will see you on Sunday. Remember, life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great Friday and Saturday. Namaste.